Across the nation, tennis and pickleball courts are illuminated by outdated lighting systems. Players struggle with glare, uneven brightness, and shadows that disrupt performance. Introducing our advanced lighting technology, engineered for clarity, precision, and energy efficiency. Our lights are built to last and are made with a sleek, weatherproof design, ensuring the highest quality lighting amid any circumstance. They will also save you a ton on energy costs, which add up year after year. The sports floodlight has a lifespan over 6 times that of traditional lighting methods. No need to worry about outdated lighting control. An optional smart lighting control app allows you to control individual court fixtures, or all of them right in the palm of your hand. When you ask tennis players about the drawbacks they face in terms of lighting, you oftentimes hear the same things. These players struggle with glare, uneven brightness, and shadows that disrupt performance, leading to overall discomfort. Our lighting methods allow players to regain that comfort and perform to the best of their abilities. Aside from the fact that it looks visually more appealing, they also illuminate the court evenly compared to the traditional metal halide lighting technology. This isn't just lighting, it's a game-changing investment in community and sport. Upgrade to our technology and watch every court come alive under perfect light. Our indirect LED sports light has proven to help players with its anti-glare design.